Morning everybody, Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today we're continuing our One Thing series with follow-ups. The key to successful conversions is making sure you are following up with every single person in your database. Now, every CRM has a way of making sure you've labeled and tagged every single lead and scheduled a follow-up with them to make sure nobody falls through the cracks. As much as every one of us thinks that we have an awesome memory, I guarantee you will not remember you're supposed to follow up 3 months, 6 months, a year out from now. If you have a follow-up scheduled with every single lead, you will never let anybody fall through the cracks. As soon as you follow up with them today, schedule your next follow-up with whatever time it may be, 3, 6 months out, tomorrow, next week, whatever it might be. So your task today is go through your database, make sure they're all entered into your CRM, number one, but then number two, make sure there's a follow-up scheduled with every single lead. Have an awesome day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.